to tell you the story of our reporter Dev Kotak, who has been covering this protest for the last 23 days. He has been coming to Jantar Mantar on a regular basis. He has been talking to members of the CJP, so they all know him. And today, when he went on stage to try and speak to one of the members of the CJP, this is what happened to him. Completely unfortunate that he was beaten up, thrashed, his clothes have been torn, he's been kicked. You can look at the shoe marks that are there on his shirt, his jeans have been torn, his watch was taken. That's the kind of ridiculous behavior that the CJP protesters are doing with the media. You know, calling media Godi media because you don't agree with them, that is one thing. But if you physically assault reporters and journalists like this, what exactly are you trying to prove? And aren't you taking away from your very cause? Dev, tell us, what time did this happen? How did this happen?
So I had gone to Jantar Mantar to seek an interview with one of the co-founders, Saurav Das. So while Saurav was speaking on stage, me and my cameraman Rajesh Sharma quietly waited. Because the whole scenario began to get a little more intense, the volunteers suggested that we clear out the place for about an hour and come back when it becomes a little more quiet. Just as we were getting out and going on to the Jantar Mantar garden side, we started getting heckled. Until the time there was slurs, sloganeering of Godi media, it was fine. But the assault started. There were slaps, there were kicks, there were punches, water bottles thrown.
How many people were there?
A mob of over 100 people.
100 people on you only?
Yeah.
That's crazy. What were those hungry people? What were they so angry about?
They were saying, आप लोग हमारी कहानी नहीं बताते हो, आप बेईमानी करते हो, हमारे भी कुछ लोगों को कल लगा है. So they are upset.
Isn't that ridiculous? Because you were there. You've been here for 23 days. Please tell the viewers how long you've been covering the CJP protest, who all you've interviewed within the CJP, and why would they say something like this? Because you're someone who's been here since day one.
Out of the three co-founders, I have interviewed both Saurav Das and Abhijit Dipke, having met both of them on several occasions. The members also know me, but the volunteers were behind the barricade closer to the stage, and I was on an unprotected side where the mob fury was coming onto me. It was a case of mob lynching. They kept hitting me, punching me throughout as I tried to make my way out. More people kept coming. However, some nice people were there in the form of protesters who formed a human shield around me to protect me. But what really happened really shook me to the core. But at that point in time, it was top priority for me to save my life and get out from there alive. I have been struggling to even see beyond 10 meters because I wear glasses full time. I told them that leave my glasses, I can't see for a long gestation period. But they did not listen. They snatched my glasses, snatched my watch away. My phone has gone missing. I could feel somebody pulling it out of my pocket at that point in time. And then I fell to the ground when I was closer to the other side of the barricade, on the other end I mean. But when I fell, 100 people were almost coming onto me, but thankfully the human shield protected me, pulled me up and pushed me to safety.